In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number pages in Canva. If you're creating a multi-page ebook, a business report, or a presentation, adding page numbers manually can be slow and frustrating. It also makes it harder to keep everything lined up consistently, especially if you add or remove pages later. The good news is that Canva gives you a much easier way to handle pagination so your document looks clean, organized, and professional. To get started, open Canva and load the multi-page project you want to work on. From your homepage, go into your recent designs and open the document, report, or presentation that contains multiple pages. Once you're inside the editor, take a quick look at the page strip or page view so you can confirm that all of your pages are there and ready to edit. Next, choose the page where you want the numbering to begin. In many cases, you may not want a page number on the cover page, so it's common to start on the second page instead. Click directly on the page you want to use as the starting point so Canva knows where your focus is. Now it's time to insert the text area that will hold the page number. On the left-hand side of the screen, click Text, then choose Add a body text box. Canva will place a text box onto your page. This will act as the anchor point for your numbering, and you'll be able to style and position it however you like. With the text box selected, highlight the text inside it and look to the toolbar at the top. Find the page numbers option and click it. Canva will show you different numbering styles you can use, such as a standard page number, a page count format like page X of Y, or a corner-based layout. Choose the style that fits your design best. Once selected, Canva will automatically connect that text box to your document's page numbering. After that, position the page number where you want it to appear. You can drag it to the lower left corner, lower right corner, or the center of the footer area. As you move it, Canva's alignment guides will help it snap neatly into place. And this is useful because it helps keep the layout balanced and consistent across every page. Finally, scroll through your full document and make sure the numbering appears correctly and increases in the right order. When everything looks good, go to Share, then Download. Choose PDF Print for the sharpest result, especially if you're preparing the file for printing. If needed, you can also enable crop marks and bleed. Then click Download to save your finished document. And that's it. You now know how to add page numbers in Canva quickly and cleanly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.